Hello and welcome to the Div++ YouTube channel. In this video we're going to solve a problem in Python programming language. So the problem is write a program for retail store that will allow them to calculate discounts for their employees when they buy items. So there are several rules for the buying for the discounts. For example, discounts are based on the number of years worked, 2% for each years, and maximum is 10%. As well, if the employee is manager, discount is 10% on top of the year. Or hourly employee have 2% of discounts. They're allowed no discount once they have reached $200 of discount. I have already solved the problem, so you can see this file. We can create employee, create item, make purchase, and show all the employee summary. For example, one for create employee, ID, name, manager, 3, for example 10. So employees created. Another employee? No. Go to menu? Yes. So let's create an item. 2, item number, item name, for example cost 300. So another item? No. Go to menu? Yes. Let's make a purchase. 3. Select an item, select an employee. The purchase has been 10. Another purchase? No. And 4 for the employee summary, all employee summary. Go to menu? Yes. And 5, exit. You can also find the code following this link, github.com/fazlullah/calculate discounts. You can have the link in the description as well. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon as well. And also share the video with your friends and in social media. Thanks for your support, guys.